do a quick take a look at this. The TR is under construction. We're working body work on it now. Chassis all together, engine's in, transmission is in. A lot of work to do here though. We've done these rear fender and the front one. The doors have been fitted. Basically, they're not complete yet, but they're working and operating and closing.
New rockers.
Yeah, but, oh yeah, we put the new outer rockers in. And there's another one on the other side as well that we have. The other door opens and closes. There's still some gap work and dents and dings in there to straighten. A lot of fiddly farty work, but it's a far cry from where it was when we brought it in. So we'll try to keep these updates to a minimum because it's a lot of boring bodywork shit. So I'm not going to do videos of guys just grinding and sanding. There's enough of that kind of stuff on YouTube for me to do that. It's just a waste. But we got all new hinge pieces. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff. I think we have enough to put this thing finished back together now, right? Pretty much.